Hi friends. Today we are going to use a peltier module. Apply the adhesive foam on the big aluminum heat sink. Remove the cutting. Spread the heat sink paste on the surface. Place the peltier module like this. Spread the heat sink paste on the surface of peltier module. A peltier module consists primarily of bismuth telluride semiconductor materials, which are arranged in N-type and P-type pellets. These materials are doped to optimize their electrical conductivity and thermal properties for cooling. Changing the terminal polarity changes the hot and cool sides. Fix the nuts and bolts tightly. Fit the BLDC fan and cover so that it can throw the air outwards. Use a digital temperature display to read the temperature. Let's have a drop of water on the surface. After supplying 12 volt and waited for some time, cooling heat sink reading doesn't reach to 0. There is no ice. But here we can see the condensed moisture from atmosphere.